My name is T. Gopireddy. Today we are going to solve some more problems in the chapter System of Circles, exercise 2a. The first one is find the equation of the circle which cuts orthogonally the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0 and having the center at 2, 3. The required circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Equation number 1. The center of this circle is minus g minus f. But in the problem, given that the center is 2, 3. So, equate these two centers. Minus g minus f is equal to 2, 3. X coordinates are equal. Minus g is equal to 2, g is equal to minus 2. Minus f is equal to 3, f is equal to minus 3. And given that 1 and the given circle are orthogonal. If s is equal to 0 and s dash is equal to 0 are orthogonal, then the condition is c plus c dash is equal to 2g g dash plus 2f f dash. We know the values of g dash is equal to minus 2, f dash is equal to 1, c dash is equal to minus 7, g is equal to minus 2, f is equal to minus 3. Substitute these values in this condition. We get c minus 7 is equal to 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 plus 2 into minus 3 into 1. This is equal to 8 minus 6, 2. Take this minus 7 this side, c is equal to 9. Therefore, the required circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx. 2 into g is equal to minus 2 minus 4x plus 2 into f is equal to minus 3 into y, that is equal to minus 6y plus c is equal to 9. Therefore, the equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 0. Next, second one. If the straight line 2x plus 3y is equal to 1 intersects the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4 at the points A and B, then find the equation of the circle having AB as diameter. The equation of the circle passing through the intersecting points of S is equal to 0 and the line L is equal to 0 is S plus KL is equal to 0. S is equal to 0 is circle equation, L is equal to 0 is straight line. That is x square plus y square minus 4 plus k into 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. Delete this bracket and write this in the form of circle equation. We get x square plus y square plus 2kx plus 3ky minus 4 minus k. This is like this. This is the given circle x square plus y square is equal to 4. This is the line. These two are intersecting at two distinct points A and B. Now we are going to find the equation of the circle which is passing through AB and also AB is the diameter of this circle. So the center of this circle is minus g minus f. Here compare it with the general equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. 2g is equal to 2k, g is equal to k, center minus g means minus k, 2f is equal to 3k, f is equal to 3 by 2k, minus f minus 3 by 2k. Given that AB is diameter of this circle. So, minus k minus 3 by 2k, minus k minus 3 by 2k lies on 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. Substitute this point in this line, we get 2 into minus k plus 3 into minus 3 by 2k minus 1 is equal to 0. Multiply both sides by 2. Minus 4k minus 9k minus 2 is equal to 0. This is equal to minus 13k. Take this side. 13k is equal to minus 2. K is equal to minus 2 by 13. From this equation, x square plus y square minus 4 plus k into 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. Substitute k value minus 2 by 13 in this. We get the required circle equation is x square plus y square minus 4 minus 2 by 13 into 2x plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. If we simplify it, we will get the required circle equation as 13 into x square plus y square, 13 into x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 50 is equal to 0. Now we are going to know radical axis of two circles. The radical axis of two circles is defined to be the locus of a point which moves so that its powers with respect to the two circles are equal. If s is equal to 0 and s dash is equal to 0 are two non-concentric circles, then the radical axis of s is equal to 0 circle and s dash is equal to 0 circle is a straight line, that is s minus s dash is equal to 0 or s dash minus s is equal to 0. We know s is equal to 0, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, and s dash x square plus y square plus 2g dash x plus 2f dash y plus c dash is equal to 0. If you subtract s dash from s is equal to 0, we will get the equation of the radical axis as 2 into g minus g dash into x plus 2 into f minus f dash into y plus c minus c dash is equal to 0. This is the radical axis of two circles. The radical axis of any two circles is perpendicular to the line joining the centers. Next, radical center. Radical center. The point of concurrence of the radical axis of each pair of the three circles whose centers are not collinear is called radical center. Radical center. For example, let us take three circles. S is equal to 0, S dash is equal to 0. S double dash is equal to 0. Center C1, C2, C3. This is the radical axis of these two circles. This is the radical axis of these two circles. This is the radical axis of these two circles. These three radical axes are concurrent at this point. This point is called radical center. If you draw tangents from this point to these three circles like this, like this, like this, these three tangents lengths are equal. The lengths of tangents from the radical center to these three circles are equal. Next one, some note. The radical axis of two circles is common chord when the two circles intersect at two distinct points. That means the two circles intersecting at two distinct points, the common chord is nothing but radical axis. Second one, the common tangent at the point of contact when the two circles touch each other. That means if the circles are touching each other either internally or externally, the common tangent is nothing but radical axis. Radical axis. Now we are going to solve small examples on radical axis, common chord and common tangent. The first one is find the equation of the radical axis of the circles x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0, equation number 1, and x square plus y square plus 4x plus y is equal to 0, equation number 2. Radical axis of circles, already we know s is equal to 0 and s dash is equal to 0 is s minus s dash is equal to 0. Therefore, radical axis of 1 and 2 is x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y plus 1 minus of x square plus y square plus 4x plus y is equal to 0. Delete this bracket, we got x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y plus 1 minus x square minus y square minus 4x minus y. Minus x square plus x square get cancelled, minus y square plus y square get cancelled. 2x minus 4x minus 2x, 4y minus y, 3y, 1. Minus 2x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. That implies 2x minus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the radical axis of the given two circles. Second one, find the equation of the common chord of the following circles: x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0, and x square plus y square minus 5x minus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0. We know that here the radical axis is common chord, that is s minus s dash is equal to 0. Therefore common chord is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 3 minus half x square plus y square minus 5x minus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0. Dealing with these brackets, we get x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 3 minus x square minus y square plus 5x plus 6y minus 4 is equal to 0. X square minus x square get cancelled, y square minus y square get cancelled, minus 4x plus 5x, x minus 4y plus 6y, 2y plus 3 minus 4 minus 1. So x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 is the common chord of the given circles. Next, third one. Find the common tangent of the circles x square plus y square minus 8y minus 4 is equal to 0, and x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y is equal to 0. Here radical axis is common tangent, that is s minus s dash is equal to 0. So common tangent is x square plus y square minus 8y minus 4 minus half x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y is equal to 0. Delete these brackets, we get x square plus y square minus 8y minus 4 minus x square minus y square minus half minus plus 2x minus half minus plus 4y. X square minus x square get cancelled, y square minus y square get cancelled. There is no x term here, only 2x minus 8y plus 4y minus 4y minus 4. Dividing both sides by 2, we get x minus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the common tangent of the given two circles. Next, a small homework. Find the equation of the radical axis of the following circles: x square plus y square minus 3x minus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. 3 into x square plus y square minus 7x plus 8y minus 11 is equal to 0. In this situation, or in this case, first you convert the second circle equation in the general form. That is, first you divide both sides by 3. We will get x square plus y square minus 7 by 3x plus 8 by 3y minus 11 by 3 is equal to 0. Then you find the radical axis. Second one directly. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 5 is equal to 0. Directly use the formula s minus s dash is equal to 0 in this case. Next one. Find the common chord of the circles x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 4x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. Directly use s minus s dash is equal to 0. Second one, x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to c square. X minus b whole square plus y minus a whole square is equal to c square. First to expand this one and use the formula s minus s dash is equal to 0. Thank you. You may do some exercise problems also.